Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, very simple cabbage and potatoes. We've got a little bit of garlic in there, onions, turmeric, and a little bit of chili. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy, delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at the ingredients here. Very simple but delicious. So we've got some white cabbage which I've shredded, potatoes which I've cut into nice big thick parts. I've got them in water now just so they don't discolour. I've got one large onion which I've sliced, fresh green chili, optional to how much you put in, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're going to start this off with some olive oil and add some salt. Okay, so I've got my pan here and I've got some olive oil in there which we're heating up. We want a kind of medium heat, nothing too crazy. What I'd like to do is start off by dropping in our potatoes, and as you can see these are big and chunky. I just want to get these on the go, give them a little head start. So medium heat, we're going to go for about 4 minutes, then we can add the other ingredients. Very simple this dish, but very, very delicious. Okay, so I've got a bit of colour on these as you can see, which I'm happy about. We're now going to add in our onion and our garlic and a little bit of salt. And again, about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's fry these around, get them happening. Okay, now we're going to get in that turmeric. About 2 teaspoons there. That little mix. Then we're going to go for our cabbage. Let me grab a big handful of that, get it in. A little bit more. Okay, we're going to work this in now. As it cooks, we're going to cook this for about another sort of 4 to 5 minutes. It's going to break down and sort of be less obtrusive in the pan. So slowly, gently mix it in. It will cook down. Back in 5 minutes. So as you can see, it's cooking down and wilting a little bit in the pan. Very happy with this. I'm just going to add a little bit of water, not too much. And I'm going to add that fresh chili, optional. And what that water is going to do is just help steam out a little bit. There's not too much in there at all, as you can see in the pan. I'm going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. We're looking for our potatoes to be nice and tender now. And we're pretty much done. Okay, so off goes the heat. Potatoes are cooked nicely. Cabbage has still got a nice bit of bite to it. I like that. It's cooked, but a nice little bit, sort of al dente there. And that's it. Check that for salt. Very simple. I love that with some bread or something like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.